In this video, I'm going to show you how to stitch cursive shaded lettering, which I use in many of my designs. First, outline the lettering using backstitch. Use smaller stitches around the tighter curves. Then, outline the shading using the same technique. Sew lines of backstitch up and down to fill in the shading. Continue until the whole area is filled. Weave thread under the other stitches on the back to move to the next letter. This keeps the back looking nice and tidy. Fill in the next letter. Make sure the stitches don't all start and end in the same place. For example, start the second vertical line halfway along the first stitch. Think about a brick wall. The bricks are staggered instead of being placed directly on top of each other. It should be the same with the shading stitches. When you get to the end of your thread, tie a knot to secure and weave the thread under the other stitches before trimming. This keeps the back secure and neat. Thanks so much for watching this video. Check out my other embroidery tutorials to keep learning.